Hi friends, this is Mithilesh, your friend, with my book Fluent English Spoken. Today we are going to discuss chapter 12. Chapter 12 is the sound of English. Purpose of the lesson is very simple. To help you, the reader, to pronounce English better than you do now. A written English and a spoken English are obviously very different. Think writing consists of marks on paper which makes no noise are taken in by the eye, while speaking is organized sounds taken in by the ear. In English alphabet there are 26 letters, but these letters produce 44 sounds. For this reason, one letter is used to produce more than one sound. In order to know the correct pronunciation, certain symbols denoting these sounds have been devised and standardized. By learning these symbols, you will be find the correct pronunciation of any word in a standard dictionary. These symbols will help you to do or go through the book with guidance for correct pronunciation of the words and conversation. These sounds are classified into two types. One is the vowel sound, another one is the consonant sound. There are 20 vowel sounds and 24 consonant sounds. Vowel sounds vowel sounds are divided in two categories. One is the Monopthong, other one is the Depthong. Monopthong means Monopthong means the combination of single vowel sounds, and Depthong means combination of two vowel sounds. Friends, there are five vowels in English. These are A, E, I, O, U. Vowel sounds is produced when the air comes out the mouth freely with blockage or closure in the mouth cavity by the tongue, teeth, lips. The vowel sound are, as you know, 20 in numbers. Vowel, as we discussed here, vowel sounds are divided in two categories. One is the Monopthong, other one is the Depthong. Monopthong means single vowel. These sounds are also called the pure vowel because these can produce only one sound. Example: a go, ear, you. Now we are discussing diphthongs. Diphthong means combination of two different sounds. Combination of two different vowel sounds. These sounds are the combination of two vowels. For example, O, go, O. Ear, care, care. We are just going to repeat monophthongs. There are three A sounds produced in monophthongs. One is the A. For example, A. Shortest A. For example, but, A. Cut, shut, A. This is used in a very light way. Then, A. For example, about, alike, that is the sound of A. Now, the sound the sound for example, perfect, for example, bird. Now, sound is a, car, car. In India, said car. In Britain or America, it's said car. Ra is silent here. For example, Lars. Lars. Don't say Lars. Say Lars. R will be silent. March. March. Then sound E, a small E. Harsoi, a small E. That is beat, igloo. E, sheep. C, oo, put, truth. Oo, chew, cube. A, egg, egg. Net, bet. Sound is a, bat, cat, rat, set. Sound O, caught, caught. C-A-U-Z-S-T, caught. T-A-U-Z-S-T, thought. O sound. That is the O sound. Then O sound. Hot, pot, order. Then A sound. A plus E sound. Tray, T-R-A-Y, tray. Pray, pray, P-R-A-Y, pray. Then combination of diphthongs are A and E. Kite, kite. A and E are used there. Kite, bite, night. Then O and E, combination of the O or E sounds. Boy, boy, toy. Don't say boy. No. Boy, toy. Yes. O. O and U sounds. O. Home. Don't say home. Is incorrect. Home. Home. Bowl. Bowl. Nose. Nose. That is called. This is not called nose. This is called nose. O. O sound should be produced here. How. A and U sound. How. Now. Now. That is the sound. Ear. Ear. Fear. F-E-A-R. Don't say fear. Say fear. Ear. Chair. Chair. Pair. Pair. Poor. 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 Friends, this is the discussion of our vowel sounds. After discussing the vowel sounds, we are just going to discuss the consonant sounds. Consonant sounds of English. There are 24 consonant sounds. In Hindi alphabet, there are 26 or 28 letters. I hope 26 or 28 letters. But in our English spoken, there are 24 consonant sounds. We are just going to discuss the 24 consonant sounds. First of all, we will articulate sound k, k, k. These are the examples of the consonant sound. Let me explain the sound. For example, kite, K-I-T-E, kite, K-I-T, kit, G, g, g sound, g, get, go. Don't say go. Do not say go, go. Then anga, going, anga sound, that is going. Ring, sing, English. Ga. Nga is the nasal sound. When we produce na, ma, anga, such type of sounds are the nasal sounds. While producing such type of sounds, your oral cavity will be closed. The sound is released from your nose. That is what is called nasal sound. Then ch, chop, chop, chick. Then sound is z, zuz, zam. Then the sound is z, zip, zoo, zip. Then the sound is as. Leisure, L-E-I-S-U-R-E. Do not say leisure. That's a laser. P-L-E-A-S-U-R-E. Do not say pleasure. Say pleasure. So what is say? What will how to produce? Pleasure. T, time, 10. Time, 10. D, sound d. Door, dog. Sound the, Depthong, the. How to produce your sound the? While the tip of the tongue is touching to the upper teeth, the sound when the sound released from your lungs is close to your glottis, then throat, and the sound the is produced with a lower lip by the help of tip of the tongue and the upper teeth. The sound release the. This is the science of the sound. The, that, this. Then the sound of na, nasal sound. That is the nasal sound. Nice, nice. While saying na, you must have to you should to try to talk the sound to produce the sound with the nose. Nice, night. Yes. Then sound is pa. Which type of sound is pa? Pa is a bilabial sound. Pa. When the air releases from your lungs and rests into glottis, the sound is closed by your upper lip and the lower lip. Sound is to be closed, is to be breaked. While producing the sound pa, your lips are open, suddenly open, and sound bilabial sound pa is released. That pit, follow me. Pit, pin. Fa, fa. Fa is very important sound. While producing the sound fa, your lower teeth or your lower lip is under your upper teeth. While producing the sound fa, please watch my mouth's position. Fa, fan, fun, father, father, foolish, fool, friends. Yes. And then ba, ba, bilabial sound. Bit, bat, ba, ba, bilabial. That is the bilabial sound. Ba, bit and bat. Ma, nasal sound. That is also nasal sound. Ma, man. You just feel that it's released from the nose. Man. Monkey. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Yet. Rat. Ra sound. Rat. Run. La sound. Love. 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 Life. 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 Wa. Wet. Wet. Wine. Wine. Wa sound. One. One. Sa sound. Scent. See. See. Shaw sound. Shop. Shop. Shoes. 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 There's a difference between the sa, sadak sa, and the sahar, sahar, sha. There are two difference of the sounds. One sound is sa, sa. The sounds which takes loud noise. That's I think that is the fricative sound. Sa. Oh, do not say sha, sha instead of saying say. If you are pronouncing the word say, don't say shay. If you produce the sound show, don't say so. Will be different. Production of the sounds are makes your sentence, make your words different in meaning and others. Ha, sound ha. Ha is the glottal sound. Ha. Ha means while producing the sounds, there is no any abstraction into the mouth cavity. Yeah, I think the teeth, upper teeth, lower teeth, this is not a, there is no hard palate, soft palate cannot stop your voice. Your sound is suddenly released. That sound is called ha. Friends, one of the most important thing in consonant sound is that there is no production of the g sound in English. For example, there's a word ghost, ghost. Mostly the people of India says ghost, but there is no g sound in English. Instead of saying g, you must have to say g, ghost. Instead of saying ghost, what should we say? Ghost. Yes. Friends, we will practice with the words with phonetic style. I will release one of my visual video over the sound system. I will release the same hard copy on your internet. You can enjoy watching the sounds. For example, English sound, their phonetic words, pronunciation. For example, fast, F-A-S-T, fast, foul, F-O-U-L, foul, fan, fear, suffer, suffer, S-U-F-F-E-R. The stress should be between double F. Then sound will suffer. Ra will be silent. Why Ra will be silent? When the sound Ra is used at the end of a word, the same sound is to be followed by a vowel sound. The sound Ra is silent because R is the voiced sound and A is the voiced sound. Both the sounds are voiced. While producing two voiced sound, it's difficult. It's difficult. So, in other words, you say that it's difficult producing two voiced sound at once. For example, defer, D-E-A-F-E-R. Do not say differ. Say defer. For example, rougher, R-O-U-G-H-E-R. Instead of saying rougher, you say rougher. Offer in India. In Britain, offer. Lover in India. Lover. Lover. R is silent here. Fans. Don't say fans, F-A-N-S. Do not say fans. Fans, instead of saying fans, you say fans. O, A, O sound. While writing A, you can say A or A. A is the strong sound and O is the weak sound. Good. G-O-O-D. Good. S-U-R-F. Surf. Surf. O is silent here. Surf. Leave. L-E-A-V-E. H-A-L-V-E. How. Solve. Safe. Safe. Don't say safe. Safe. Instead of saying safe, you must have to say safe. Wave. W-E-I-V. W-A-V-E. But production will be wave. L-I-V-E. Production will be leave. O-F sound. Maximum. Most of the Indian people, 99.9% of Indian people will produce off. But off sound is quite wrong. Production of the sound will off, off. Instead of saying off, you should to say off. Glove. Those. They. In India, they, but is wrong. They. A and E sound should be produced here. These. Thirst. 40. There. Friends, hi friends, we will discuss the same chapter again. Thank you. Have a nice day.